What if 3 fruits in your kitchen could improve 3 things most men over 50 care about? Steady energy, daily vitality, and better bedroom performance without extreme diets, expensive supplements, or guesswork. Most men over 50 do not fail because of age. They fail because of 3 silent drags: unstable blood sugar, reduced blood flow, and chronic low-grade inflammation. Fix those 3, and performance usually improves across the board: morning energy, gym stamina, mental sharpness, and sexual confidence. And there is one mistake almost every man makes with healthy fruit that cancels half the benefit. We will cover that before the end because if you miss it, your energy still crashes. Most men think low vitality means one problem: testosterone. That is incomplete. Performance drops when 3 things happen together. Your energy spikes and crashes across the day. Your vessels lose flexibility and responsiveness. Your sleep and recovery are too shallow to restore output. When those 3 stack up, you feel it everywhere: lower drive, slower workouts, more brain fog, weaker confidence in the bedroom. The good news is simple. Food timing and food pairing can improve all 3 fast without extreme dieting. Fruit 1. Apple for stable daytime output. Apple is ordinary, and that is an advantage. Ordinary foods are repeatable. Repeatable behaviors produce repeatable physiology. Apple supports performance through 3 mechanisms. First, fiber slows glucose absorption and reduces hard spikes. Second, polyphenols support long-term metabolic and vascular trends. Third, better satiety reduces late-day junk decisions that damage energy control. Most men use apple incorrectly. Apple alone with sweet coffee often creates a rise and crash pattern. Juice instead of whole fruit removes much of the benefit. Late-night oversized fruit portions create unnecessary volatility. Use 1 medium apple. Place it mid-morning or early afternoon. Pair it with protein or fat: Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs, or a small handful of nuts. Expected progression appears in 3 layers. Layer 1, fewer cravings 2 hours later. Layer 2, less afternoon fog. Layer 3, better consistency in training and evening readiness. Stable energy is necessary, but energy alone does not guarantee reliable bedroom performance. The next fruit targets circulation context and recovery support. Fruit 2. Kiwi for circulation context and recovery quality. Kiwi is familiar and underestimated. Its value is not hype. Its value is function. Kiwi helps through 3 practical effects. First, nutrient density supports endothelial function, which affects blood flow quality. Second, antioxidant support reduces oxidative pressure, linked to poorer recovery and vessel flexibility. Third, fiber supports smoother metabolic response across the day. Bedroom performance is not only desire, it depends on circulation, nerve readiness, and recovery depth. Kiwi supports the environment where those systems perform more consistently. Correct execution is direct. Use 1 to 2 kiwis daily. Place them at breakfast or lunch. Pair with a protein-based meal. Do not use kiwi as part of a sugar-heavy snack stack. Do not replace meals with fruit-only grazing. Do not push fruit-heavy intake late at night. 2 fruits can build momentum. Yet 1 daily behavior can still erase progress. Before that mistake, complete the 3rd fruit. Fruit 3. Orange for fatigue control and vascular support. Orange is often dismissed because it is common. Common does not mean weak. Common means scalable and consistent. Orange supports performance through 3 channels. First, flavonones and vitamin C support vascular function context. Second, hydration and potassium support neuromuscular readiness. Third, whole orange can replace processed sweets that destabilize energy and recovery. Replacing 1 nightly processed dessert with 1 whole orange often changes late evening glucose behavior and next morning readiness. Use one whole orange. Place it with lunch or early dinner. Keep it separate from refined desserts in the same meal window. Avoid sweetened orange beverages. Avoid orange plus refined dessert together. Avoid fruit stacking on top of late-night refined carbs. Use this protocol exactly for 10 days. Track 3 daily markers: afternoon energy stability, morning recovery feeling, and bedroom performance confidence. Morning block, protein-based breakfast plus 1 kiwi. Midday block, 1 medium apple plus Greek yogurt or a small handful of nuts. Early evening block, 1 whole orange with dinner or right after dinner. Whole fruit only, no sweetened juice, at least 2 protein-anchored meals daily. 20 to 30 minutes of walking every day. Remove high-sugar dessert during the full 10-day window. Execution quality matters more than volume. Exact timing beats random snacking. Consistency beats intensity. Days 1 to 3 usually show the first signals. Fewer aggressive cravings, softer afternoon dip, lighter post-meal feel. Days 4 to 7 usually show functional improvements. Better concentration stability, higher training readiness, reduced evening collapse. Days 8 to 10 usually show pattern consolidation, clearer morning readiness, more predictable energy from noon to night, stronger confidence from consistent intimate response. No one-day spike is the goal. The goal is a stable trend that can be repeated. 3 fruits, 3 mechanisms, 3 daily placements. Apply structure for 10 days and track 3 markers. Energy becomes steadier. Vitality becomes stronger. Bedroom performance becomes more reliable.